अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, उम्मीद है कि आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। द ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी यू ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ mass m at the point in the gravitational field is defined as the work done to bring the body of from the uniform infinity to that point. Gravitational potential energy u is equal to mv is equal to gmm over r, where v is equal to minus gm over r. For a mass m at the distance r from earth, which is of mass m, the relationship between gravitational potential energy U and the gravitational attraction F is equal to minus du over dr, derivative du over derivative dr, or U is equal to negative derivative of F dr. Also, the gravitational field strength is equal to G is equal to minus dV over dr, or V is equal to minus derivative of gdr. Gravitational potential energy close to the Earth's surface. In chapter 6, we found that the gravitational potential energy of a mass m at the higher h about the ground is greater than when it is on the ground by mgh. This can be deduced from the formula for the gravitational potential energy, i.e. U is equal to minus gmm over r. For a mass m on the earth's surface, its gravitational potential energy uo is equal to minus gmm over r is equal to r radius of earth. When the mass m is at the height above earth's surface, its gravitational potential energy, therefore the increase in the gravitational potential energy is u1 minus u0 is equal to minus gmm over r plus h. Then this calculation would be done. The neglect term in h2 over h square over r square, and the higher if the h is less than r mgh. आइए आपको एक एग्जांपल के थ्रू एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करते हैं। जो कि है एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज मेंट बाय ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ, ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, एंड एक्सप्रेस एंड given an expression for each of these physical quantities and an equation related to the two quantities. इसका सोल्यूशन ये है कि सबसे पहले तुम्हारे पास डेफिनेशन आ जाती है ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ की। द ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ इज एट अ पॉइंट इज इन अ ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड इज द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स on a unit mass at the point. Gravitational field strength is equal to gm over r square. The gravitational potential V at a point in a gravitational field is the work done by the gravitational attraction to bring a unit mass from the infinity to the point. Gravitational potential is equal to V is equal to minus gmm over r. Gravitational field strength is equal to minus dV over dr is equal to minus gravitational potential gradient. B is equal to on the earth's surface, gravitational field strength is equal to gm over r square, where r is equal to r. For a mass m on the earth's surface, gravitational attraction is equal to gmm over r square is equal to mg, where gm over r square is equal to g. Gravitational field strength on the earth's surface is g. Gravitational potential on the earth's surface is equal to V is equal to minus gmm over r. Gm is equal to gr square, where is V is equal to minus gr square over r is equal to minus gr. The amount of astronauts leap of the ground with the same kinetic energy when on the earth's surface or the moon's surface. Using the principle of conservation of energy, loss in kinetic energy is equal to gain in potential energy. Then all the solution is done. Then and at the end of the conclusion, we find that r density is over r density is equal to this. तो व्यूअर्स, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक था, द टोटल कंजर्वेटिव एनर्जी ऑफ द प्लैनेट इज इक्वल टू काइनेटिक एनर्जी प्लस द ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. व्हेन द प्लैनेट इज nearest the sun, its gravitational potential energy is the least, hence its kinetic energy of the maximum and thus its speed is maximum. सो व्यूअर्स, आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक था जो कि ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी था और उसकी डेफिनेशन हमने फाइंड करनी थी, हमने उसके बारे में डिस्कस किया है. होप सो आपको हमारा आज का टॉपिक पसंद आया होगा. मिलते हैं आपके साथ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.